In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. You need to begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Play Store. Following that, go into Tab menu and look for a floating windows shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, when I click on this tiny window, I can use my app in pop-up view. If you wish to make your window tiny again, you need to hold this top line and drag it to one of your screen corners. Then let go. To access it, just click on it. You can move it around by holding the same line. If you wish to use this app, overlay the other one, just click on the other one and operate in both. You can always use your app in full screen view by holding the lower line and dragging it down. You can also go into background apps instead. Hold your app and click on this little icon to enable pop-up view. In order to close your window, you can simply swipe it in the background. Click on Home button, or even drag the same lower line up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!